With the likes of Demon Slayer Season 3 and Hell's Paradise sitting atop of many most anticipated lists, prior the beginning of the current anime spring season. What is ranked as the best by many so far will totally surprise you. In step, Oshi No Ko. But what the hell is Oshi No Ko? For those of us not familiar with the manga, we should start off with the plot, and according to MyAnimeList.net, 16-year-old Ai Hoshino is a talented and beautiful idol who is adored by her fans. She is the personification of a pure, young maiden. But all that glitters is not gold. Goru Amamiya is a countryside gynecologist and a big fan of Ai. So when the pregnant idol shows up at his hospital, he is beyond bewildered. Goru promises her a safe delivery. Little does he know, an encounter with a mysterious figure would result in his untimely death, or so he thought. Opening his eyes in the lap of his beloved idol, Goru finds that he has been reborn as Aquamarine Hoshino, Ai's newborn son. With his world turned upside down, Goru soon learns that the world of showbiz is paved with thorns, where talent does not always beget success. Will he manage to protect Ai's smile that he loves so much with the help of an eccentric and unexpected ally? Believe it or not, that synopsis and the cute art style portrayed in the trailers don't do the series justice. Oshi No Ko is far more dark, twisted, smart and gripping so far in its young season. I am totally enthralled, and eagerly looking forward to each episode. Oshi No Ko is currently streaming on High Dive.